I'm sitting in the car. I'm in a little bit of a dilemma thinking about something. It's not the rain. I'm waiting for my wife and daughter. They're in the store. But the dilemma is this. It has to do with crypto. And I'm just putting this out there because we're finally here. We're in this season where it's kind of for me, and I remember it last cycle. It's going to be months, but I'm in this planning season, trying to look at my portfolio. I'm always doing this, but right now specifically, as we're months away from having Bitcoin halving, I'm looking at my portfolio and I'm just wondering to myself, is this what I'm happy with? If you look at your portfolio right now, answer that question for yourself. Is this what I'm happy with? And let me specifically talk about like my situation. So you all know I'm a big Cardano holder. I'm using Bitcoin specifically as an analysis tool mainly. I think going into the next cycle, altcoins are going to outperform Bitcoin. So I'm just heavy on the altcoin side. That's my style. That's my approach to these markets. I realize the risk is a little bit higher. However, if there's a nice balance in terms of blue chips and top market cap altcoins, I'm comfortable with the risk. And so I think altcoins will outperform Bitcoin. So the question is, I have different parts to my plan. ADA is a big part of the plan. Cardano altcoins, a big part of the plan. I don't talk about them as much on this YouTube channel because they're very low cap right now. I probably will, as we progress into the bull market, I probably will discuss and talk about, especially as certain ones might be surpassing $50 million market cap, I'll probably start discussing them more on the channel. But that's a big part of my play, that is to say Cardano altcoins. But here's what I'm having trouble with. It's that allocation to maybe some other altcoins. And I've been back and forth for months in terms of what this might look like. And just to give you some examples of a couple altcoins that I'm talking about, one is XRP. I think XRP is going to do phenomenal in the next cycle. And over the years, I've not been this crazy bullish XRP bull, right? I don't talk about XRP a lot. I'm a huge supporter of XRP, the XRP community. I'm so grateful for what Ripple has accomplished so far against the SEC, the legal team, the leadership team, Brad Garlinghouse at Ripple. I'm grateful for what they've been doing, right? In a similar fashion, I'm grateful for what Coinbase is doing and Brian Armstrong. They're really fighting for clarity in the crypto space, and it's huge. But put that aside, I just think XRP is going to perform very well in the next bull cycle. The thing though is, I think XRP it's approaching like $30 billion market cap right now. Something like ADA is under 10 billion. So there was a time XRP and ADA and it was pretty recent, they were kind of like side by side. XRP has really overperformed ADA in the midterm. And the thing is, at this stage, I'm wondering, how much exposure should there be in XRP? And then at the same time, I'm looking at something like Chainlink. Chainlink right now sitting at about, I think it's under 5 billion. So Chainlink is less than ADA in market cap. I think it's so undervalued. Link is so undervalued. And what I'm wondering now is, when we have these blue chips, right? And I would still say Link is a blue chip, but XRP, ADA, Link, and there's probably others, right? Matic, we can put Matic on the board. The question is, what should the allocation look like? And that's kind of where I am right now. I'm looking at these things, and I don't have a clear answer just yet. I think we have a little bit of time, but we're going to start seeing, as we continue into the next Bitcoin halving, this accumulation phase, and it's going to be choppy. It's going to be sideways even, and there can be these down days, down weeks. But during this phase right now, that's where my head's at. I'm trying to figure out, well, what is my portfolio going to look like post Bitcoin halving? What do I want it to look like? And, I have a firm foundation, I would say, but I'm still trying to figure out right now, what happens next. So those are my thoughts, everybody. And I really wanted to get your thoughts in terms of what you think your portfolio should look like, and what you think about even these altcoins that I'm talking about right now. Please let me know in the comments below. I appreciate you, I really do. And subscribe if you're not a subscriber, because we're getting warmed up, everybody. We're getting very close to what's about to happen. That is to say, the next bull market. So subscribe if you want to join the crypto capital venture journey. I appreciate you. God bless.